everybody, today I'm making a pasta and chicken salad for my lunch, and all you need is pasta, chicken, avocado, carrot, onion, tomato, some red pepper, parmesan cheese and some sweet corn and peas. And all you have to do is cut it all into smaller pieces, and if you like you can add a salad dressing or salad cream. It's not necessary when you've got the cheese, but it's what you want. Once you've cut everything into smaller pieces, you simply add it to the container with your pasta and chicken. Only use half a tomato, half an onion, and I grated my carrot. So you just put it in. Then you just need some parmesan cheese or feta cheese or cheddar cheese, and now I add some avocado. I'm just going to use a whole one. Or last one, some frozen sweet corn and peas. And if you work somewhere or you're going out, the frozen sweet corn and peas will help you keep your salad cool.